Saundra Ben Israel and Gershon Ben Israel, and we've been here for 20 years.
Over 20 years.
Okay, over 20 years. As you can see, we have this gigantic tree in the backyard. So the tree was a problem with us getting grass in certain areas. And for years, we bought sod or seed every year. We're looking at different pictures and stuff, and we always wanted a floating deck. So this was our year, and we just decided to combine it all together. We thought about concrete, but we kind of natural, so we figured the wood, the gravel, and the grass suits us fine. That table and chairs where we have breakfast sometimes. The gazebo is the spot. That's like the
chill out room.
Yeah.
That's a chill room.
Every evening that it's warm, we're out there with our music and our glass of water.
We also stepped as well. That was a good thing for the deck.
Yeah, dance
So we
floor.
can dance floor.
Yeah. When the grandkids, it's just nice. It's just beautiful. I just like to sit out here. Some days we just sit on the porch and look out here.
Well, this is my wife's idea back here. She has a very inventive mind. So her thing was that she wanted some rocks back here. The wraparound around the tree was easy. She came up with that idea, so we just put a little rubber around the tree, section off that tree. So the tree has its own little section. And this is nice. This was the easy part. But it's her idea, so yeah. No, I gotta give all credit to her.
He's a hard worker.
Yeah. She taskmaster.
It was a team.
Yeah.
Team effort.
Right.